Hello everyone and welcome back. Imagine someone asks you a tricky question and instead of nervously saying I don't know, you respond with something clever, funny or confident. Sound cool, right? Today I will show you 5 creative ways to avoid the boring I don't know and impress everyone. Let's dive in. First, I'm not sure, but I'll take a guess. I'm not sure, but I'll take a guess. This phrase shows that you are willing to try, even if you don't have the perfect answer. It makes you sound approachable and confident. For example, someone could ask you, why do birds fly south in the winter? And you might say, I'm not sure, but I'll take a guess. It's probably for the free vacation and warmer weather. It adds a touch of humor and keeps the conversation alive. Even if your guess is wrong, you will still make people smile, right? So you can use I'm not sure, but I'll take a guess instead of I don't know, right? Next, who knows, maybe aliens. This phrase is perfect for mysterious or strange question. This adds a playful twist that's bound to make people laugh. For example, someone could ask you, why does my Wi-Fi stop working during the meetings? And you might say, who knows, maybe aliens are testing their new internet blocking device. This response is great for casual chats and makes you sound witty and fun to talk, right? Next, let me Google that for you. This shows that you are resourceful and willing to find answers. It's a practical way to avoid I don't know and stay helpful. For example, someone could ask you, what is the population of New Zealand? And you might say, let me Google that for you, hang on, I'm curious now too. It's modern, relatable and shows that you are ready to learn some information, right? Next, it's a mystery for the ages. Use this when the question is unanswerable or when you want to sound philosophical. It's dramatic and perfect for light-hearted moments. For example, someone could ask you, why do socks always disappear in the washing machine? And you might say, it's a mystery for the ages. Maybe the washing machine has a secret sock-eating compartment. This phrase turns an ordinary I don't know into something memorable and funny. Next, I haven't got the foggiest idea. This classic British phrase is charming, polite and a little quirky. It's great for casual conversations when you want to sound unique. For example, someone could ask you, why do we always crave junk food late at night? And you might say, I haven't got the foggiest idea, but I'm grabbing a bag of chips just in case. It's lighthearted, adds personality to your response and makes you sound approachable and relatable. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See ya in the next video.